It's back to school time, and I'm going to share with you my favorite lunch boxes. So if you still are looking for one, here are some ideas. The first one I'm sharing is the Bento Kids. It's on the smaller side. It's great for little kids or big kids who don't have a big appetite for school. It comes in solid colors or also comes in a variety of prints. We have a few of each of them. The prints are super cute and fun. And then the plain ones, you can also add stickers. The little section in the middle I like to use for dips or little treats. And then all the other sections are divided up for picky eaters. And it removes easily for a dishwasher. And then the outside you have to hand wash. The next one I'm sharing is the Yum Box. It's super easy to open and close with just one latch. It fits a whole sandwich and has a bigger container for dips. And the inside comes out to put in the dishwasher, and the outside has to be hand washed. The next is the Bento Pop. So it's super easy to open, just like the Yum Box, with just one latch. This lunchbox is great for sandwiches or 4 different sections. You can divide it up or not. It's great for big kids or bigger eaters. And like most of them, the inside is dishwasher safe, but the outside isn't. I also have this super cute little Bento snack container. Our newest Bento is this Bento Chill. It's easy to open with just one latch as well, and it has silicone around the edges just like the Bento Kids. And in comparison, it does appear to be the same size lunchbox. See, they're the same size on the outside, but on the inside, they are different. What makes it different is that there's no dip container in the Bento Chill. Also, the edges are way thinner in the Bento Chill than the Bento Kids, so it makes it for more food to fit in. So it does hold a little more food than the Bento Kids. And it comes with this ice pack that you can put on the bottom. And I love all the bright, beautiful colors that this one comes in. Next up is the Caprese. It's similar to the Ami. It comes with a thermos. This thermos, you don't have to twist it open, you just pop up the top. The handle just pops up and you pull it. And the sections are pretty deep. One of 2 stainless steel ones I have, the Planet Box. It's pretty easy to open. It comes with magnets. There's a whole bunch of different sets of magnets that you can put to decorate it. It's a pretty heavy lunchbox. And it's not leak proof, but it does come with a small and a medium or large, whatever you want to call it, size, leak-proof containers with silicone lids, so you can still pack dips and sauces or runny foods without it leaking onto the other food. And we had this one for a long time, and it's still in great shape. You can buy extra. You can buy these little pods to make it colorful and fun and just to divide food up easy. The other stainless steel box I have is the Lunchbox. I don't like to film the lid because it's so reflective like a mirror. But this one's smaller than the Planet Box. The one I have was called the Cinco, and it's not leak proof, but you can also buy leak proof little containers if you want. My new favorite lunchbox is their new silicone that came out last fall called Build a Bento. And it comes in a lot of, not a lot, but 4 different beautiful colors. And it's really sturdy silicone. And it's microwave safe if you want to heat one of the sections up. And you just take the sections out and use whatever ones you want. And it keeps the food divided really well. And it's also leak proof with the top being dented. Just make sure you press it in the center when you close it. I also have a Lunchbox thermos. It has silicone on the outside to help from slipping out of your hands or if the food's too hot. Next up is the Ami. We just got the green one. We've already had the purple one. And the green one is so pretty. It comes with a divider. It does not come with these little pods. You have to buy these dip containers. It's called Ami Dip. You have to buy them separately, but they fit perfectly in the Ami box. Just to keep food divided, and the little divider can go in any of the longer sections, and then it has the thermos, or you don't have to use it if you're packing sandwiches. So this lunchbox is great for big eaters, small eaters, and packing cold food and hot food, or just cold food. And the little dip containers make it a big difference being able to pack a variety. And we also have the new Ami Box Up. This is geared to older kids. I think it was ages 9 and up. The section for like fruits and veggies and treats and snacks is smaller, but the thermos is bigger. So you can pack more of the hot main food, which is nice for bigger kids. And you can also not use it if you want to just pack a sandwich or a salad or something. And it doesn't have a handle on the top, it's just silicone. And on the bottom, it has a little place for an ice pack for the cold section, which is really nice. Let me know in the comments below what one's your favorite, or do you already have a different favorite lunchbox? And I can't wait to share a lot of lunch ideas this year.